Good morning, you guys. Happy 9 a.m. on a random Wednesday morning. I've decided spontaneously this morning after dropping the kids off that we're gonna go buy the new iPhone 17 Pro. I have had this phone now, it's an iPhone 14, literally for the last 4 years, and look at the back of it. It's literally, you can see the hardware in it. So this is about to die any second. There's actually pieces of glass in the phone screen. I also want a content phone, a phone that is literally just for filming things, because Max is starting to get into content. He has an Android and the camera quality is not the same. I'm literally sitting out of JB Hi-Fi right now. Hopefully we can just grab a phone and go. It should hopefully be a business expense. I'm no accountant. Actually, every time I get an email from my accountant, I cry. There's a normal iPhone 17, an E version, an Air version, and a Pro. You guys, I get flustered in the store and I get nervous, and I basically just bought the wrong phone. I wanted a 1 terabyte or 500 gigabyte phone because the whole purpose of this phone is for content. She said she only had an orange phone in the store. I was like, oh damn, like I don't want the color orange, I want silver. And she's like, oh well, that's fine, I'll get you the silver phone, but you'll be getting a 256 gigabyte storage. I thought I was agreeing to just having the orange, getting the 500 gigabytes because I needed the space, but she thought I was agreeing and compromising on storage space. She's already opened up the phone and put a clear case on it. Obviously the storage space may become an issue, but it'll last like hopefully a good year before I need to start like clearing it out again. The purpose of this phone is to have my agent on here and my work emails, accounting software, but other than that, just filming, editing, and like no personal use. Got the Pro because it's got the 3 cameras. The way that I was able just to walk in and buy this, incredible. Even last year I would not have been able to do that at all. Like I would not have been able to afford to do that. I'm super grateful that I could. I need to fill up the car, do my makeup. I will catch up with you soon because I have so much to tell you guys, but I'll see you in a minute because my car is literally about to flatline. Guys, we're back. This is my best friend Izzy. We have been friends since prep, and what's that now, like 20 years?
20 years
something crazy. Quickly doing my makeup because we are about to go to an antique store. I really want to find a lamp. I did this beautiful side table up, which I'll show you when I get home. It was free on Facebook Marketplace, and I door dashed it. No, I didn't. I air tasked it to the house, and then I've like repainted it. So I want to find a lamp and some flowers and some photo frames. So for those who are interested about my ADHD diagnosis journey, I'm currently on Vyvanse. This is the 3rd day that I have taken it, and I've not been taking it consecutively. My thoughts are streamlined and it feels like I'm a horse with like blinders on. Like there's not background noise happening. It's just, I don't know, it's flowing nicely. Yeah. As soon as we walk into the door of this antique shop, I find this Louis Vuitton jewelry case. When I tell you I want this so bad, there's also this like Gucci, is it Gucci or something? Handbag, and I'm like, where are the price tags on this? I say that like I have any money, I don't. There's so much jewelry here, and the furniture. I love this piece so much. I can really see it with like a record player on top. The little rooster, oh my gosh. I love this dress. Is this not really cute? You guys, there's just so much stuff here. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. The little glass bell. Oh, this is stunning. You need that in your life. I love pieces of furniture that have so much character. This one over here is the same. Like, how cute. What I found is this little half apron from the kitchen. It's so cute. I'm gonna get it. I'm living my best Nancy May life. At least I know when I'm doing renos to come here for the little door handles. Are you kidding me? I'm getting this bag spontaneously, and it looks like it's in good condition as well. I don't even have a bag today, so this is perfect. But when I saw this Gucci bag, I was like, you have to come home with me. But I have no idea how much it originally costs. Literally in perfect condition. And the reason why we even saw it and found out the price was because I was looking at that like Louis Vuitton jewelry case we saw when we first walked in. Turns out that one's not for sale. We absolutely scored. Camera's about to die. This bag, I'll put pictures up here, retails for $2,600. It's gonna go with so many outfits. Hi little boy. Juki's 1 year old now, you guys, which is crazy. Tonight we're having chicken enchiladas for dinner. A little bit chaos at this time of night. The kids' rooms always get absolutely trashed. Oh my, it's trashed.
Well, it's gonna smell nice at least for a while. She spilled half of this like perfume thing.
Oh no, really? At night time, it looks a little scary, I'm not gonna lie. During the day, it's gonna look so beautiful. Good job, guys, thank you. Finally, after 2 years, have a TV to go here and then our normal buffet. It looks like we've just moved in. There's literally no furniture. Mummy and Daddy are gonna go get the lounge can bring it back in. Hello! Oh my goodness, it's okay. It is dinner. This looks so good. It's actually a little bit spicy, so I ended up just heating up some buttered chicken for the kids. I feel very mother with the baby on the hip and the apron and being barefoot in the kitchen. This is only like the second or third day that he's actually sat in this high chair, and it's so cute but so sad at the same time. Gosh, she looks so little. What was your favorite part about that?
When you said it's my last birthday.
Oh.
That's the favorite part about his week, guys, that he found out he's dropping a day of daycare. The kiddies are having their first sleepover in Autumn's new room. She's got her Nebula on, and they've decided they want to sleep on their sofa beds on top of her bed. All set up on their little sofa beds. It's just the cutest thing ever. Wow, pretty. You've got so many toys, girlfriend.
I put them there.
Did you? That's very nice, Ollie.
Hello, what's going on here?
These are like heat eye patches. Low key, I be getting a migraine. They slay the house down.
Nice.
This is me for the night.
Look at that.
Good morning. We are going to do some wallpapering today, which is exciting. As you can see, I've literally just woken up. Lele is also the cutest little potato sack you've ever seen. Morning. Mwah. I bought wallpaper, I want to say like 6 months ago, and we just have not put it on yet. But it's a gorgeous tulip wallpaper for my desk area, and I want to get that on today before my computer and everything goes back, because obviously I moved it for the party. Max doesn't start work today until 1 p.m. and it's like 9 o'clock now. So we've got a few hours to get it done, huh? And I have no idea what I'm doing because I've never done it before. Let's get a carrier down. Oh my goodness. We're gonna get baby carrier out. Makes it easier to get breakfast and everything organized in the mornings. If I take Vyvanse today, this is gonna be day 4, or the 4th time I've ever taken it. I haven't been taking it consecutively, but I did take it yesterday and today. One thing I've noticed, everyone said, oh, like you will lose your appetite and you won't want to eat. I am the opposite. I am waking up starving, and I'm starving most of the day. Other than obviously the normal things like the dry mouth. The dry mouth sucks, but like so does the hunger 24/7. Oh my gosh, you just want to see the whole world. She likes the carrier because she likes being involved with everything. This is where the wallpaper is going to go. Obviously it still says Legend of 1996 from Max's party, and there's a whole heap of washing on there that I need to fold. Honestly, this is just like the reality of mum life. My house is never 100% clean. Like there's this baking dish that I forgot to put away. Got dishes in the sink. Got this beautiful tennis bracelet from Dear Keepsake. It is so pretty. It's my new favorite piece. I do have my push present coming, and it is a trilogy diamond ring. I'm so excited for that thing. You have no idea. I have wanted one for so long. I think I'm gonna need Max to do that. And one diamond represents each of my 3 babies that I had. I'd be wrong, but I think Max is just getting back from doing daycare drop-off. Normally I would be go in the morning doing daycare drop-off, but he's done it, so I don't have to. I love claw clips. Done. Literally done. So easy. You guys will probably say that we're crazy, but Duke is now a year old, and his mum just had a litter of 9 puppies, which is a lot of puppies. Loki, Max and I, of course, were talking about should we get a friend for Duke. He's a happy puppy, but like I'm pretty sure that dachshunds are supposed to be in pairs. I feel bad that Dukey doesn't have like a little best mate, like a little puppy. So we were thinking about getting one. Loki, I'm still on the fence about it. It's sad that he doesn't have a friend, but I don't know if I can also manage like another puppy. Maybe that's too much. Keep you updated. Currently it's a no. I'm trying to eat big breakfasts and then small dinners, just because apparently that's actually the way that you're supposed to do it. Protein yogurt, got raspberries, blueberries, ladyfinger banana, homemade coffee but with Zarrafa's beans. So good. Best addition that we could have got. I've done some avo on toast and my little berry bowl. Here is this little setup though. We actually have 6 chairs, but 2 of them broke, so I've got to email in. Like this part here was broken, which is super annoying. And they're going to look more cohesive when I actually have like our new pendant light going here to match. I used to dream of this setup. Mum, Dad, little baby. Hi, Lele. You look so cute up there. Go, Jiki, go. Hi, little boy. Hi, little boy. Did Dad walk away? Max walked away, and whenever he walks away, I'm wanting to show you guys this for so long. This is like an abandoned part of our backyard. Our backyard is 2-tiered. This is tier 1. Here is tier 2, which it's just abandoned. Like we never ever go down here. I really want to start some veggie gardens. So I got Max to just move this. Is it heavy?
Not too heavy, but it's just an awkward shape to like hold.
Yeah. Clearly I'm very helpful. Aim in the end would be to have them go this way, all the way along. 2 or 3. Like a flower one, a veggie one, a fruit one. Oh, maybe not.
We'll workshop it. We can always,
we'll workshop
I can unscrew it, cut it shorter.
Yeah, imagine 1, 2, 3, 4. This needs to be stained, that needs to be painted. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day and we're off to Bunnings. We're gonna go get some paint today for the shiplap that we're doing in our kitchen, which is another one of the like 1,010 projects we have going off the house. Best thing we ever did was get a car that has a sunroof, you guys. You're gonna help me pick one paint again? She's like, whoa, pretty colors. Guys, I know that this is confusing, but we got to Bunnings and we found different shiplap that we actually prefer. So we're going to grab a couple of sheets of this and it's going to go under the kitchen bench and then we're going to paint it. This is going to be better because the other shiplap that we have is just, it's not looking right. So Max is trying to do the math. Muscles. The boards barely fit in the car. We've had to move the pram, take a car seat out. A guy went, you need a bigger car. It's like, yeah, no shit. This is the original shiplap that we had bought, but the black behind is felt, so it can't be painted. The actual color itself is way too dark for the kitchen. Yes, I know there's chaos everywhere. Thanks for the help, Lele. Pew. I went out yesterday and I stopped filming. I come back and Max has surprised me with what the video was going to be about. But I love that, thank you. Max actually did the entire wallpaper while I was out and I love it so much. I need to put a picture frame here. I'm truly obsessed. It makes it so homey. How long did that take you?
Maybe like 2 and a bit hours.
That's pretty impressive.
I had the kids try and help me as well at times. There was a lot of learning. This is my first time doing it. There was a lot of learning. Obviously, I've still got to clean up a bit of the glue and... There's little bits of glue in it, but overall, where's the glue? There's little bits of glue up there. That's okay.
Considering it's the first time that you've ever done it, it looks really good. But apparently, I reckon with the bubbles, you could just do like a little pin and then bubble it out. It's a lot right now, but I think with like the right accessories and like a big frame there, it'll look good. So much of my video was going to be about the wallpaper. Now, obviously it's not, but I'm grateful that it's done because I know that I am not a person that's like very particular. So I would have just raw dogged it and it wouldn't look as good as what it does. Obviously now we are not going to be wallpapering this office space together. I think right now it's quite trippy, like it's a lot, but with a beautiful frame here, it will be perfect. Before, I kind of felt like I was in the middle of the lounge room and like that this office was an inconvenience, but now it does feel like a separate space. I want to say I am so sorry for this video because it has been all over the place, but I am so excited to get back into YouTube. You guys know I used to post on YouTube. I think I posted Ollie's first birthday was my first ever video I uploaded. He's about to turn 5, so I've been posting for over 4 years, but very sporadically with no consistency, and I'm very keen to like pick it back up again and really do some more longer form content. One thing that I've noticed is as a viewer on social media, I want to see more slow paced, boring, authentic, real life content than everyone trying to like yell at me and make fast paced, like busy content. Like bring back the long form vlogs. 2016 YouTube era with all the makeup artists and everything, that was like prime content, and the family vloggers back then were the people that like I grew up watching. I've wanted to pick up YouTube again, but obviously I was pregnant. Alea is now 6 months old, which is absolutely crazy to me. It's definitely been the easiest of the 3 kids transition wise. For me, 0 to 1 was hard, but 1 to 2 wiped me out. Like the PPD that I got was insane. That was so hard for me because now Ollie and Autumn are 3 and 4 and they are besties and they play together 24/7. Can you hear her? It kind of felt like she was my first baby again because I don't know, I just associated honestly with the 2 under 2 living in the apartment being so young. So to have Elle was so refreshing. When I had her as a newborn, the older 2 kids were playing, so I didn't feel that level of guilt of not being able to like play with them as much. Whereas when I had Autumn, I felt bad for Ollie. And it was just a lot of emotions, but also I was younger, we were constantly moving. I've gone off on a tangent now. Now that Ella's 6 months old, I'm so excited to be getting back into more longer form content and actually be tackling projects and things and goals that we want to do as a family. So thank you guys for watching. Please expect some more vlogs because as you guys know, I also got my new phone, which means that I have a lot of free space for content now. Thanks for watching. Hopefully next vlog you can see me style this because right now it is trippy. Love you guys so much.